My friend Diana Chan is on the show and we're going to be making something that we all know very well, butter chicken, but without the chicken today.
Butter chicken without the chicken.
I like
How good is it? So we're going to be making a butter paneer.
Awesome. For those at home that don't know, what is paneer?
Paneer is basically cottage cheese and it's from India.
Oh,
So it's basically curdled milk.
Yeah.
Right?
And because we love butter chicken so much, you can just imagine how tasty this is going to be.
Mop it up with some naan at the end.
Yes, I
delicious.
love it.
All right, so let's get started. Can I get you to blitz up the cashews for me? I've got about 2 cups of cashews here which have been soaked, and you're just going to blend it up, and it's going to be like this sort of thick consistency. You can add a little bit of water if you need to.
Okay, and we do need to soak them, don't we?
Absolutely. So, you know, at least 20 minutes or so in some hot water. And then I'll get you to cube up the paneer.
Yep.
And I'm going to get started on the sauce.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, Jess. That looks amazing.
So lots of butter to start with.
Absolutely. So you want this to be, you know, rich and like flavorful. And then I'm going to add in some bay leaves.
Okay.
Love bay leaves. They just smell so good. And then cinnamon. Just add that in. I've got here some ginger and garlic paste. So we're going to add that in. And then it's going to sort of take on all that beautiful flavour from the butter, and it's just going to soak it all up. Now, can you pass me the Kashmiri chili?
Yes.
Yeah,
And
pop that all in. And this is optional, right? Like you can add as much or as little as you want, but what this does is it gives it that really that vibrant colour. So now it's like that rich, vibrant red. And now let's go in with the cashew.
Okay, and you can see how fine you want the cashew. So this is actually going to thicken the sauce, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay, so we'll pour that in. Oh, yum.
I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit more.
Okay.
Beautiful. So look, that sauce is just going to thicken now. And then I'm going to add in tomatoes, which I've diced up and pureed.
Okay. And I guess we're trying to get that consistency of that thick, luscious, velvety sauce.
Yes.
So not having big chunks of tomato, you don't want that in that. You want it to be really
Absolutely.
smooth.
And then just to sort of loosen it, we'll add some water.
Yep.
Maybe about a cup or so. All right, Jazzy, now it's looking really nice and luscious. We're getting some good thickness here and good colour. Now we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I've got some ginger, which has been julienne, so that goes in. And this is just to reinforce the flavour of like that ginger garlic paste that we did at the start, and you know, just sort of run it through the gravy.
Yep.
And then we're going to add in some green chilies.
Okay.
Now this, once again, is optional, but I love, you know, that sort of subtle hit. And then we've got some garam masala and fenugreek leaves,
Okay, so
which is a must. Fenugreek leaves are a must for butter paneer. All right, so Jazzy, this is looking good. Now we're just going to add in some cream, so about half a cup.
Okay.
Because you want it sort of richness to the curry once again. And then we're going to add in the paneer. We're going to pop the lid on, and within 10 minutes, we're going to have our butter paneer.
Oh, this is going to be good. It smells good.
Sure does.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Look at the colour. Pass me the plate.
The colour is fantastic. I just wish you could smell this right now. And the fenugreek, you know, we were speaking about that before.
Yeah.
Those leaves really make it smell authentic. It's that butter sauce that we all just love so much.
Absolutely.
It all
And
comes through.
it's just like, look, I love the colour.
Yeah.
It's that sort of vibrant,
Yeah.
you know, or almost like orangey. Looks like sunshine.
That's right. Well, why not?
All right, so how much should we go? You reckon that's enough?
Yeah, I like
That's
that.
enough for us. Okay, so I'll get you to put a dollop of yogurt on.
Okay, a dollop of yogurt. Beautiful.
And I'm going to sprinkle on some pistachios.
Yep.
All over the top. All right, Jazzy, I know you want to have a taste.
Oh, I do. I'm just so happy you're serving this with naan.
Absolutely, it's the only way. Oh, you can have it with rice, I guess.
Of
Bit
course.
boring, but anyway.
And try.
Any kind of bread, to be honest. Mop it all up.
Taste.
What do you think? Have I passed?
Oh, with flying colours, Di. It is So delicious. And if you haven't tried paneer, give it a go. It is so delicious and it really does absorb all of those flavours. And that sauce, it's spot on. Thanks, Di.
Welcome, anytime.